In order to enable or disable eye comfort shield on your Android, where you can always adjust the warmth of your screen, reduce the eye strain, you have to enable a setting on your Android. To do that, you have to swipe down from the right hand corner of your mobile device. So go ahead and swipe it down. Once you're here, it depends on your phone type. Mine is Android like this, and then I can swipe to the left right here. This additional tab, I will just tap onto this tab here. Once you're here, you will see an option that looks like a sun with the dotted patterns around it. This right here is called Eye Comfort Shield. Right now, if I turn it on, notice how my screen will change to gold display. If, however, you don't see the Eye Comfort Shield feature in the quick settings panel, what you want to do is in the upper right hand corner, you will see a little gear icon that looks like a settings option. Go ahead and tap onto that, and then it will take you direct to the settings menu. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down just a bit to where it says display. So go ahead and tap onto that. And then you will see something that says Eye Comfort Shield setting. All you have to do is to untap it to disable or to tap it to enable it. And for additional customization option, I'll go ahead and click on Eye Comfort Shield one more time here. You can always set the schedule. So go ahead and tap onto the set schedule option right there. So you can set it to always on or sunset to sunrise or the customize option. Or go ahead and tweak these three options based on how you like it to appear whenever it is on. Once you're done with that, you can always customize the color temperature of your screen. You can always put it to warmer or to cooler depending on your preference. If I turn it to warmer just a bit like that, I've enabled the Eye Comfort Shield to reduce on the screen brightness and to protect my eyes whenever I keep scrolling on either social media or within my phone or having some funny videos. This setting right here will always protect your eyes accordingly. If you have any questions, put those down below. And if this video helped, share and subscribe. And I will catch up with you guys in the next one. Bye.